Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Victure EC810 security camera. In the box, you'll get a user manual, 2 camera charging cables, mounting screws, a hub power cable, a hub Ethernet cable, 2 magnetic mounts, 2 3M stickers, a power adapter, 2 Victure home security cameras, and hub. Experience stunning full HD video resolution from anywhere in the world. This wireless security camera system features an extra wide allowing you to cover every angle. Built-in 3000 mAh batteries support the ultra-long time using of a wireless security camera and speaker for two-way audio allowing you to talk and listen to visitors. Independent network repeater makes the signal connection of wireless security camera more stable. Cloud services and inserted memory card enable network repeater and be used as a safety storage device. Very easy to install the app and connect, just follow me. This Victure outdoor wireless security camera features a heavy-duty IP65 weatherproof housing to protect against dust and rain.